Hi, welcome back to my channel or welcome for the first time. I'm Eva and this is my channel Lingua Serbia. And today's lesson on Serbian language will be about days of the week. So days of the week is dani u nedelji, literally days in the week. Also, you can say for the week nedelja or sedmica. Sedmica. Dani u sedmici. Days of the week. Monday, ponedjeljak. Tuesday, utorak. Ponedjeljak, utorak. Wednesday, sreda. Thursday, četvrtak. Sreda, četvrtak. Sreda as in it's in the middle of the week. So sredina, sreda. Thursday, četvrtak as in fourth day of the week. Četvrti means fourth. Friday, petak. Petak. From peti as fifth. Saturday and Sunday are subota, nedelja. Saturday, subota. Sunday, nedelja. So don't confuse week and Sunday because both week and Sunday are called nedelja, but week, as I already showed you, can be called sedmica. And there are, of course, workday and weekend. The word for weekend we usually use English word weekend, just shorter E, weekend. And workday is called radni dan. Radnim danima would be on work days. Radni dani, work days. Also for weekend you can say neradni dani as non-working days. And if you need, there is a word for holidays. Holiday praznik, holidays praznici. So that would be all for today. Have a nice day and vidimo se uskoro. See you soon. Ciao.